Sa pag-aalaga ng ating himpapawid. Yan ang gawain ng Philippine Air Force. Marami silang mga proyekto at programa. Kaya naman para bigyan tayo ng impormasyon tungkol dyan, makakasama natin this morning ating very special guest, si Colonel Miguel Ocol, ang Philippine Air Force spokesperson. Good morning po, Colonel.
Yes, good morning. Thank you for inviting us here.
So, umpisa na natin. Kamusta naman po ang Philippine Air Force?
Well, pwede nating sabihin na we're in a good state of health right now. There are a lot of things na exciting na nangyayari sa Air Force mo. Ang maganda nito, you see more of us in the air. No, yun ang overarching theme natin ngayon. Makabagong lakas para sa matatag na bukas. Na yan ang anniversary theme namin for this year. And tamang-tama ito kasi we get support from our national leadership, no less than our Commander-in-Chief. We're very inspired because as he has promised when he took over as our President and our Commander-in-Chief, he said he's going to modernize the Air Force, and we can see that right now.
Okay, and of course, you are celebrating your 66th anniversary. So, kailan po ba nag-start yung mga events ninyo at ano na yung nagawa ninyo?
Well, marami na tayong, that's a good question. Kasi we have had pre-anniversary activities since last month. Ang pinakauna nito yung Scuba Sorero. We went to Anilao, Batangas, and with some partners, nilinis namin nag-dive yung no less than our commanding general, si Lieutenant General Lauro Catalino G. De La Cruz, nag-dive. So madaming nakuha mga basura doon. And after that, we have engaged in bloodletting activities. Meron kaming mga Children's Day. So in all the 8 major bases, nag-invite kami ng mga bata, mga indigents, and then we treated them for 1 day. Meron din kaming partnerships with Habitat for Humanity, Gawad Kalinga. So yung mga engineers namin gumawa ng mga bahay. And then we inaugurated this. So aside from that, there have been a lot of activities all around. No, hindi lang sa Punong Himpilan sa Villamor, but major bases.
So nakakatuwa, Carlo, na ang dami nilang mga programs at projects. So I think isa dyan, I believe yung may fun run po kayo na gaganapin. Ano po ba itong fun run na to? Would you like to tell us more about this?
Yes, itong Sunday na to, we're going to have it's really a fun run because we will invite not only us to be led by our commanding general, but the general public and some special guests and sponsors to have 1 day of run sa CCP complex. So ang benefit nito will be the dependents of our airmen and women. So we've been doing this for the last 3 years already, and we hope to do this.
So talagang we encourage everyone to join dahil ang ganda naman ng proceeds nito dahil magbe-benefit yung mga, I believe, mga sundalo na mga
dependents.
Ang tanong ko po, besides dito sa mga ginagawa nyo to, annual event po ba itong 66 itong anniversary po ninyo?
Yes.
Is this an annual event?
Yes. Yearly we do this to celebrate and to highlight our anniversary, which is on July 1. Meron kami mga nila-line up na pre-anniversary activities para maipaalam na this is your Air Force. Your Air Force is very active, and we are partners in not only securing you, but partners in national development.
And of course, it's wonderful talaga na magkaka-fun run kasi usong-usong nga yan ngayon, and everyone can join the Air Force this Sunday. Pero ano ba yung mga events na meron sa yung mga 3K, 5K, ano ba yung mga...
Well, we have the 3K, which is basically the fun part of it.
Actually, doon na lang kami sasali ni Carla sa
Ako 21K.
Okay, 21K. Very good, very good. Fun din yun if you're really into that.
Yes.
But we have the 5K, 10K, and 21K. So aside from the singlets that we see here, we'll also be giving a finisher's medal and some certificates. And I think there's some raffle prizes for participants.
Colonel, how do we register if we want to join the fun run?
Well, they can go to an A6 outlet. I think there's one in Greenbelt. But they can just walk in. We will be there. We have registration areas, and we will accommodate your request.
What time will the fun run start?
Well, the first, I believe the 21K will start at around 4:30 in the morning or 4:40, and then every 30 minutes thereafter, re-release. I think the last to be released will be yung sasalihan mo, yung 3K.
3K. So, Colonel, I believe nabanggit nyo kanina habang nung nagkukwentuhan po tayo, isa po sa mga upcoming activities po ninyo ay yung Air Power Symposium. So,
Yes.
maaari nyo po ba kaming kwentuhan tungkol dito?
Yes. Well, the Air Power Symposium, we've been having this for the last 3 years. Gagawin po natin yan sa SMX. We'll be talking about air. Okay? Tinawag po natin yung mga, stakeholders, and basically everybody, para maintindihan nyo po what air power is all about and anong relevance nito sa inyo to our everyday lives in security, national development, and what are the trends that, or saan kami papunta. Sabi namin, makabagong lakas. Paano namin gagawin yun?
Okay, so ito ba yung magpapasok kayo ng helicopter and airplane sa MOA, or is this a different event?
This is a different one, but at the same time, at MOA, at the Mall of Asia, magpapasok po kami ng, maliit lang na jet at saka yung aming attack helicopter. So, if you've been to car shows, so, ganito pong naging objective ng commanding general namin, si General De La Cruz. Hindi kayo makapunta sa mga bases namin kasi malalayo. Kami po ang pumunta sa inyo. So, you will see inside the mall our displays, our aircraft. Meron pong K9, kung mahilig po kayo sa aso, kung paano namin tinatrain ang K9 namin, and our live band, marching band.
Colonel, nakakatuwa na ang dami yung proyekto sa anibersaryo nyo. Besides po sa fun run, lahat po ba ng mga projects na ginagawa nyo ay open po sa publiko?
Yes, most of our projects, most of the activities that we have done, and we will be doing is open to the public. Kasi yun po yung what we try to reach. Na may Air Force po kayo because kami po we are your public servants. We are serving you. So at least we will let the public know and you will be close to your Air Force.
Siguro tama ka dyan, Colonel. More of Carla, ano na rin to, itong mga projects na to, ang layunin na to is to create public awareness sa mga tao at lalo na malaman nila kung ano ba ang kahalagahan din ng Philippine Air Force at nagagawa nila sa ating bansa.
And it's very nice na accessible rin sila kasi parang, di ba, nafe-feel natin yung protection talaga.
Actually, yung Fun Run isang pinakamagandang project nila yan kasi tama ka kanina na usong-uso talaga ito sa lahat. So, kahit mismo mga kabataan, capture niyo yung mga talagang sasali.
Oo nga, pero one project that caught my eye talaga, yung Scuba Sorero. Is this open for the public also? Or kailangan divers?
Probably when we do this next year, yes, it is open to the public.
Okay.
Alam mo yung mga divers na enthusiasts, okay yan, they're free to join. Pero yung hindi divers, dun sa along the shoreline.
Okay.
So sumama sila sa amin, yung mga ibang civic-minded groups, yung civic organizations. Yun, ako, I myself, hindi ako diver, but doon, naglinis kami nung shoreline.
Colonel, para dun sa nasabi nyo nga this is open to the public, do you have any website kung saan maaari nilang ma-check lahat po ng mga proyekto po ninyo?
Yes, of course. We have our main website, which is the Philippine Air Force website, www.paf.mil.ph. And aside from that, meron din tayong Air Power Symposium website. So, dun sa dalawa na yun, makikita nyo na yung mga activities, naka-announce din dyan. And those who want to apply to the Philippine Air Force, yearly we take in about 600 enlisted personnel, those who have completed 72 years of college work, 5 feet, never been married, of course, and more than 23. Now, gusto mag-officer, dapat may baccalaureate degree ka, should not be over 24, 5 feet pa rin, no? And then, of course, they have to pass the physical and written exams.
Okay. Actually, Carla, alam mo ba, nabigyan ako ng chance before na makapunta at makavisit dyan sa Villamor Air Base kung saan meron silang museum. Dito makikita mo yung mga different aircrafts. Talagang nakakatuwa dahil ikaw mismo mapapaisip ka paano nagawa, yung kagandahan at kahalagahan. So, Colonel, kamustahin natin? Kamusta naman po yung museum nyo?
Well, it's always improving. No?
That's
What I will say about that. Well, tama ka, every day you go there, you see kids coming in, ginagawang nagiging venue na ng mga different schools. But more than that, you will understand where we're coming from, yung Air Force nyo. Paano ba nag-umpisa ito? We have a very good collection of our artifacts and our past and present. And pati yung future natin is laid down there. So, I think, sabi ko nga sa inyo when we were talking a while ago, pag naubusan na kayo ng mapupuntahan, ito. So, we're inviting our general public, our friends, to visit your Aerospace Museum at Villamor Air Base.
Of course, talagang exciting yan. So para sa ating mga boss nga, dapat talaga mapuntahan nila to. It's a new place. Museums are always
Ang
fun.
dami nilang matututunan dahil pati
Oo
mga
nga.
history and background, malalaman nila doon. And of course, Carla, meron sila doon parang sasakyan mo na ride kung saan tuturuan ka lumipad. So,
May
nakakatuwa.
simulator.
May simulator. Ito talaga yung ginagamit sa yung
Yes,
pag-training
it's
ng
very
pilot.
close to that. Tapos may interactive activities din doon.
Actually, na-try ko na yun. I crashed 2 out of 3 times.
Pero dapat itry mo yung nasa museum ng Villamor Air Base. So,
We'll set it
Colonel,
up.
do you have any last message to our viewers and would you like to invite them to your
Yes.
anniversary?
Well, in behalf of our Commanding General, si Lieutenant General Lauro Catalino G. De La Cruz, and the whole of the Philippine Air Force, we would like to invite you and to be with us in the activities, upcoming activities, fun run, sa Air Power Symposium, sa mall tour namin, and most especially during our anniversary date with no less than the Commander-in-Chief, President Aquino, who will grace the activity.